Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benta, and today I just wanted to show you guys how I moisturize my hair after shampooing and conditioning my hair. Yes, I've been growing my hair for a while, but it doesn't grow really quickly, but that's okay. So I'll be using the CANTU leave-in conditioning today. I love a lot of conditioning in my hair because I need a lot. For those of my sisters and brothers that have 4C hair, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to pack a lot of conditioning into that hair for sure. I absolutely love massaging my hair. Oh yes, it's like the best part of my hair care process. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely proud of my hair. I love it. I have been experimenting with some oils, mixtures, so I will make a video on how I do that. I just put it in a different bottle, but yeah, that's what I'm using right here. It really helps with the itchiness and the dryness of my scalp. And here I am using 100% virgin coconut oil. I use coconut oil for literally everything. I kid you not. I cook with it. I use it as a moisturizer for my skin, and now I am using it to moisturize my hair. It's just one of those oil for me that, you know, it's you can use it for so many things, right? So yeah, here we go again, coconut milk. But this is the anti-breakage serum. It really helps, guys. My hair used to break a lot, and I probably think that's why it wasn't growing a lot, but hopefully with that product we'll see how it works. This is my first time using that product, so we'll see how it goes, but I love the way it smells and I love the way it feels. And here we have the olive oil conditioning spray oil. So this really helps to just, you know, lock in the conditioning in my hair. I really love this product. Alright guys, so this is the hair food by Magnificent. This is a really good product as it really helps with my scalp. So this is what I use every other day. I just go ahead and moisturize my scalp with this product. I've definitely focused more on my scalp with this because it helps with just keeping it moisturized. Yep, so I go ahead now and just massage my whole hair together and make sure the products are well even around my hair, and then I will go ahead and style it. Style it to a very simple, easy wash and go type of thing. And thanks so much guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see by commenting down in the comments section. Let me know what other video you like and I will work on that for you.